Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Access. Get a daily dose of 10 questions in 2 minutes. The Statue of Unity. Whose statue is the Statue of Unity? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His statue is a patriotic symbol of the legacy of a man who spent his life in the struggle for freedom. Where is the Statue of Unity located? At Gujarat. As a mark of respect, statue is located at his birthplace in Gujarat. The Statue of Unity is built on which river island of Narmada River? Sardar Island. Who designed the Statue of Unity? Ram V. Sutar. He is the architect of the Statue of Unity. What is the height of the statue? 182 meter. The height of 182 was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. On which birthday of Patel the foundation for the statue was laid? 138th birth anniversary. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who got the contract for the Statue of Unity for the design, construction and maintenance of the statue? Lawson and Tabro. They built the statue with the intricate bronze cladding work done by a Chinese foundry, the Jiangxi Tokyon Company. Who inaugurated the Statue of Unity? Shri Narendra Modi. When is National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Diwas observed? On 31st October every year. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question of the day. Which metal is used in making the filament of electric bulb? Tungsten. And now it's time for today's question of the day. Which is the world's tallest statue? Leave your answer in the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to let me know, please hit the like button. And I will be posting videos daily to the best of my ability. So subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any topics for me to post. Thank you for watching.